Yo, what's going on, people from BlueDigitsFx? So I've been getting this question a lot lately, and people have been having issues installing the demo indicators on their MetaTrader 4. So today I'm just gonna show you how to do that. So it's pretty simple. Either you guys can do it within your MetaTrader 4, or you can do it by going to the website. So if you check the pin post in the Telegram, you can see watched instructions here, okay? And you can also scroll down below where you see the demo links and visit those pages. Now if you go to these websites, you will be able to download the indicator by just clicking this button, and it will install directly onto your MetaTrader 4. If that doesn't work, what you guys can do is open up your MetaTrader 4, navigate down below to the market tab, and then we're just going to search for Blue Digits. Just give it a second because this might take a while. Sometimes it's a little slow. All right, there we go. So as you guys can see, here are all the BlueDigitsFx products, and the ones that say free are the demo indicators. So if you want to access the Easy 1, 2, 3 and the Spike and Strike, what you can do is just simply click it and then press download. Once you press download, you will see in your navigator, in the section of indicators, there will be a tab called Market. All the products that you purchase or download through the market will be here. So here you go, that's the 1, 2, 3 system demo, and let's get the Spike and Strike as well. Download. All right, there we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna set up a template so you guys are ready to start trading as shown in the video. So let's go ahead and open it up, the demo, and we want to keep the alerts disabled for now because currently there's a bug going on and I'm fixing these. So keep everything on default and just load it up. It's going to look like that. Boom. And then you're going to open up the Spike and Strike reversal as well. Boom, done. Now sometimes, depending on your RAM in your computer, the Spike and Strike might make it slow. So I suggest you put this value down to 500, all right? And what I really like to do as well is make the lines a little thicker. There we go. And now you can just scroll this down. Oh, most importantly, I forgot, guys, don't forget to install the Open Trades indicator as well. Okay, so it's not popping up. We're gonna have to do that through the website. So let me just do that. You're just gonna click view product on the site, take the website, and then I'm gonna click download. Yes, I have MetaTrader 4 open. I'm gonna get a notification, open MetaTrader. Boom, 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 and I can already see it's installed. So here that is. Save, boom, and there you go, guys. You are now set up to start getting these blue digits and start trading like the whole BlueDigitsFx family. So don't forget, once you set it up, you save template, and you can just call this BlueDigitsFx default settings. All right, that pretty much wraps it up, how to install the demo indicators and how you guys can start using it. So the demo is free for Euro USD and AUD USD. So as you can see, when you load it up onto a different pair, it's not gonna show anything. So if you guys wish to use it all across the board on every pair there is on MT4, make sure you purchase the full version and contact me as soon as you do. It's your boy Ziggy Digits signing out for BlueDigitsFx. I hope this video helps you guys to get your free indicator set up, and I'm wishing you guys a lot of success and blue digits, and I can't wait to welcome you into the VIP family. Let's get it. Also, guys, before I forget, a lot of people have been asking recently, hey Ziggy, what's a good broker to use? My broker is acting a little weird. Well, don't worry, I got you. I've recently been testing out this new broker that I've seen a lot of people starting to use, and so I figured out I'm gonna give them a try as well. So I guys want you to go ahead and check out MetaTrader. I recently just started using them. They have very low minimum deposit, so a lot of you will be able to use this. They have access to all major pairs, crypto, crosses, indices, commodities, and you're even able to trade the cryptos in the weekend. So if you guys are still looking for a good broker that runs smooth with the indicators, make sure you check out MetaTrader. I will leave a link down below in the description and under this video so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Alright, let's get it.